In this video, I want to introduce the Cloudways affiliate program.
This video is brought to you by EpiPies Academy.
Cloudways is a managed cloud hosting platform that's both easy to use and flexible in terms of compatibility. In case you don't already know about what a managed cloud hosting platform is, managed cloud hosting platform simplifies the complications involved in launching and managing servers and applications. At Cloudways, you always have flexibility to choose from 5 leading hosting providers: Google Cloud Platform, Amazon Web Services, DigitalOcean, Vultr, and Linolite. Those are the main ones. The good thing is they have multiple applications to deploy any requirement you need, whether you're looking for a basic WordPress site or WooCommerce or Magento Store. They have over 10 applications to choose from. You might be wondering what makes Cloudways affiliate program different and better from other web hosting programs. Well, first of all, they have a dedicated affiliate manager that provides support, answers live chat and email, so they can answer any questions for you. But of course, you probably want to know how much money you can make. Well, they have an interesting affiliate commission structure. They have a slab commission structure where you can earn up to $125 per sale. This structure works for affiliates who can bring in big numbers of sales. The idea is the higher the sales at the end of the month, the larger the slab in which you fit in, the higher your commission. So if you make from 1 to 5 sales a month, then you only get $50 a month. But if you can make a large amount of sales, then you can get up to $75 per sale, $100 per sale, and $125 per sale. And generally, the payouts happen by the 20th of each month. And there's no minimum payout. So if you even made just 1 sale, you'll still get paid. Here is an overview of the benefits of their program. You get up to $125 per sale. If you reach the highest slab, they have high conversion rates. It's ideal for affiliates who can refer clients on a regular basis, and super affiliates get even a $400 CPA, plus the payouts are monthly. Plus, here's an example of when you sign up for their program. These are examples of all kinds of images and banners that they're going to provide you with. So you have all kinds of already existing attractive images that you're going to be able to use in your affiliate promotions. And in addition to that, they have a robust dashboard where you can track your sales, so you never have to wonder how many people did I refer, how many people sign up, all that. They have really good reporting once you sign up for their program. So it's perfect for people who have clients that need websites. So if you're a freelancer who helps people set up websites, if you're a blogger that teaches people how to make a business, or if you're active in any niche in which people need to start up their websites, this is a good affiliate referral program for you. To sign up for the program, I'll have a link to this page available in the resources section, and you just navigate here and you make your account here, create a username, country, and everything, etc., and create your account, and that's how you're going to be able to sign up for the affiliate program. So that's the affiliate program of Cloudways. Give it a try.